Hello, welcome back to Doodle Studio. Today you're going to draw the Minecraft Armadillo. We're also gonna color him and add detail. You can follow in pen and paper. Let's go! So first we draw a line here and then a line there. First we're gonna outline his ears by drawing these 3 lines. Then let's finish the top of his head by the short line. And then his other ear with another line over there, a line over here, and a line going down here. Now that the ears are finished, we're gonna continue with the face with one short line here, one long line over here, and one short line down here, and then slightly curve it over there, and then connect everything together like so. Over here. And then we're gonna draw his nose, so one line over here, one line over here, and one line over here. Minecraft characters are so easy to draw. One little circle here and one more little circle here, and we'll just color everything like this and add a bit of white. Now, Minecraft characters are very blocky, so they're just lines. Continuing with our lines, one long line there, and fix it up a bit and curve it. And a very long line at the top to outline his body. And then one small line here, one long line after that. And then we're almost finished with his body outline by just drawing lines. Very easy. An easy how to draw a Minecraft armadillo. Now, the Minecraft Armadillo has a little triangle connecting his body, so we'll draw that next over here and continue with some detail for his armor with 3 lines like so. Slightly curved, by the way, and then just continue drawing your lines down there. Fix it up a bit. Practice makes perfect, and take it slow. Next, we're gonna draw the feet, so one line here, and then a lying down line right there, and make a little box like this. Those will be his toes, and then one line connecting the feet to the body. Now, let's start with the toes this time, so just draw a small box here. And then slightly slanting line over there. And then up here to connect to his body. And just like with the other foot, we do this. Okay, very easy. Let's just shade that a bit and shade here a bit so we can form shadows. Now, next is the other feet. So just follow what I do. Don't forget the toes. Now next is this one. And just follow how I do it. With just a series of lines. Like I said, Minecraft characters are easy. And how are you liking this so far? Our armadillo is almost finished. We're just gonna do the tail like this. So one triangle, but make sure the tip is slightly curved. And there you have it. Our sketch of our armadillo is finished. Tell me how you like it so far. Next, we're gonna go color him. So the Minecraft armadillo is brown. So again, we'll just do the outline like this. I did a time-lapse to save time. And then for his face is a little darker brown shade. And just color everything like this. Add a little bit of shadowing for detail. Like this. And what I did here is change some parts of his face to a lighter brown color. But not as light as the body. And just doing some shadowing here. Okay, looks good, looks good. Oh, if you like this drawing and you're following along, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really enjoy drawing these with you. Now let's just finish with the shadowing. You can do whatever you want at this part. Well, you can even stop with the shadowing and just color him. So just like everything else, after we do the shadowing, we're gonna change the outline to the primary color, just like this. And let me just fix him up a bit, and here we go. Our Minecraft Armadillo is finally finished. Again, please like and subscribe if you like our drawing, and I'll see you again next time here on Doodle Studio for another drawing session. See you!